In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label sent emails in Gmail. Tagging your emails can significantly improve your organization and productivity, ensuring you never lose track of important messages in a crowded inbox. So let's dive right into it and explore each step thoroughly to make this process as straightforward as possible. First off, open your web browser and head over to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into your address bar. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, you'll need to sign in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it in a while. You'll see your inbox in the middle with the menu options on the left sidebar. Before we begin labeling, it's helpful to review and, if necessary, create the labels you wish to use. In the left sidebar, scroll down until you find Manage Labels under the More option. From there, you can see existing labels and create new ones by selecting Create New Label. Just give your new label a name that's clear and intuitive based on your needs. For instance, you might create a label called Work or Project X. Now that you have your labels set, let's move on to the actual process of labeling sent emails. Navigate to your Sent Mail folder. This is where all the emails you've sent from your Gmail account are stored. Once here, take a moment to go through your list and identify the emails you wish to label. You can select them by clicking the small checkbox located to the left of each email. Once you've selected the desired emails, look at the top of your screen for a little label icon. It looks like a tag. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear, showing a list of your existing labels. By clicking the checkbox next to the labels you want to apply, those emails will be tagged accordingly. This action allows you to categorize multiple emails quickly, making them easier to find in the future. After applying the labels, double-check by clicking on one of your labeled emails. You should see the label displayed beside the email's subject line, confirming the action was successful. If, at any point, you need to remove or change a label, you can simply open an email, click on the label icon again, and adjust your selections accordingly. That's all there is to it. You now have a systematic way of keeping your sent emails organized. Remember, effective email management can dramatically reduce time spent searching for specific messages and can make your overall email experience far more pleasant. Thank you for joining me today. And as always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy labeling!